Hey everyone, welcome to Unacademy. So you can see where I am. I came to an engineering college in Kerala. This is one of the beautiful colleges. Many students attended my seminar with regarding the Unacademy. And okay, I want to tell you one thing, guys. If you are uh, preparing for the GATE examination, today is very important date. You want to enroll for Unacademy 7 days free trial. This is the last date, so don't miss this opportunity, guys. If you in these 7 days you can complete one tough subject. I really give you this advice because many people are suffering a lot because they cannot be able to get the access for the plus subscription. They may not get sufficient classes on some topics on YouTube. Everything is available on the plus, so don't miss this opportunity. This is a wonderful opportunity only for today. You can use my code Shankar10 and use the link available in the video description and use the new phone number. You will be able to definitely get the Unacademy plus subscription for 7 days completely free. You can watch, enjoy any class of your wish. All my classes are available. If you are a fresh learner, you can watch network analysis or digital circuits, or if you want microprocessors, computer animation, everything is available. Not only my classes, all other classes are available, guys. So see you all. Thank you very much. Bye bye.